good. Morning. Monday morning. I'm in the yard. Not many of us left in the yard. There's only Steve Millen, myself, and Fingers' truck left in the yard. Everyone else is out. Well, it was recording Friday. It was not for me at the time, so yeah. Me and the other half were in on Saturday, washing, polishing, tyre rating. But then it started getting really dusty. Tyre written, polished. That's just off the wagon's trailer. 4 days to go. 4 days to go till Peterborough, Lincoln. So I'm gonna start my wagon out, get ready for show. Good morning, I'm probably it's Tuesday morning, 6 o'clock. Load me, myself, Elliot and Hobbsy loaded up on the motor yesterday afternoon. Me and Elliot both got 210s on. He's got a Cabell cut, I've got a Komatsu. Nice little bang. Cross chain on the front, cross chain on the bucket. Added them on just because we're going into a tight area. Cross chain on the back, chain on the arm. Bit there, and the flag up there. Right, finish my walk around checks and get this thing going, shall we? Oh, 3 days. 3 days till Truck Fest. Alright guys, that's me parked up for the night at Acliff Services with the Libra 950. So park up for the night. This is going to Newcastle area. Well, I think I'm only about 40 miles away, so nice easy run. Then 2 more days, then we're done. Right, time for tea. Trailers needs a bath. A lot needs a bath.
Remember the things that I told you. Darling, don't you cry. You're gonna be alright. Leave it all behind. Take it off your mind. I know you felt so right, but things are looking brighter. Let it go tonight. I know you'll need it. Dancing is healing. Love is the answer. Dancing is healing. Love is.
Alright guys, hello Lowy. Right, loaded at Newark with a little planer. And I mean, tiny. I think the smallest one they do. So loaded this at Newark. Now I'm taking it to Liverpool. Let's get this cracked on, shall we? Alright guys, how's it going? Just about to unload this little paver. These 2 levers. Lower the back end, as you can see we're going down. And then if I push them, you can see we're going up. Well, the back end is. Push them up till you're level. That there. Operates up and down. Side. Side, you move it back and forth, push that button, push it back, and again to push it forward. Well, this is the first pull on a roundabout. Unfortunately, I think there's been an accident up there, so the coppers have pulled us in and said we can sit here. As you can see, coppers are there. Just filling out now. Wait about 10-15 minutes and then we can clear. Good morning. Truckfest bound. Truck's coming for been in for 6 weekly. She's shining. Wait, I don't think she will be by the time I get to the showground from here. So, going for a quick wee. And then Lincoln Truckfest is bound. Repping the merch. I'm the boss, but really May is the real boss. So yeah, let's get cracked on. Right guys, that's us at Lincoln Truckfest. As you can see, we're just waiting to be called onto the DAF stand and then start polishing. At this moment in time, we are not going to be polishing because it is wet. Very wet. As you can see, I've been already outside for 5 minutes and I'm already soaked.
This is how you level up.
You gotta show up every fucking day.
You're not as far away from these dreams as you think you are.
You have to think I am the best guy out there.
You need to get things done.